Tell them walk, blood. Who killing them in the UK? Everybody gonna say UK.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kay and over here we do beauty related videos, and if that sounds like your cup of tea, please be sure to subscribe. So today, as you can see by the title, we're going to be talking about this wig. I can't believe this is a wig. What? Anyway, so this wig is from I Like Hair. It's an iPart wig. I've been seeing a lot of these go around and I was very excited to get my hands on it. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to wear it, 2 ways to wear it, with leave out and without leave out. Right now I have it with leave out, of course. It did look pretty good without leave out as well, but you're going to see all that in the video. So this wig is a 20-inch Yaki texture wig. And it is so beautiful. It blends with my hair amazingly. I have 4C hair, by the way. My hair is natural, but I decided to, I was about to say relax it. I decided to straighten it for this video and I'm loving it. But anyway, let's get straight in. Let me show you everything from how I did my braid down to how I installed this wig. Let's get into it.
So I wanted to hit you guys with a little bit of an unboxing, and look at this box, so cute. It's giving Hermes, and it came with a little goodie bag inside as well. So you got wig caps, a shower cap, I don't know what this tool is, I'm not sure. If you know what it is, let me know in the comments. A tweezer and some crocodile clips. I have a whole collection of crocodile clips. I love these. And I wanted to show you what my natural texture looks like. So this is me blown out, but it's just to show you that I'm natural, I'm 4C. And I'm going to show you how I put this wig on 2 ways. Look at the wig. The luster is beautiful. It's so shiny, so glossy. And it looks like my hair straightened. So it has these little clips inside to help secure it. And it has the normal combs and adjustable straps. And at first I'm going to show you without leave out, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like with leave out. So for a normal day, if I'm not going anywhere, if I'm just doing Zoom meetings at home, I think I might just do this, might just throw it on like this. But if I am going out, I might do a bit of a leave out just to conceal it a bit better, especially because it's not like a kinky texture where the whole back combing thing will work. But yeah, it actually looks so cute like this. Oh my gosh, really nice. This side lays better than the other side for some reason. I don't know what that's about. I don't know if I did something to it when I was washing it or straightening it, or if that's just how it came. But I think I'm just going to reinforce it and sew it in, and hopefully it's a bit better. I don't know. I absolutely love this wig. It's so beautiful. So don't make fun of my braiding. I'm not the best, but I just tried to do a little something. So I've got like 2 ankle braids on each side of my leave out. And speaking of leave out, I think my leave out is a little bit too much. Like, this is an iPart wig, it's thin part. I mean, this is less leave out that I would leave for a U part, but it's still a bit too much, I think. But yeah, I'm just clipping it in, securing it into those anchor braids, and seeing how it fits. It's quite quick and easy, to be honest. So then I'm just using the combs on the side to just secure it further. You actually don't really need to use those, but just so you feel completely secure. But yeah, I really love this wig. It looks so cute, so natural, and I know that like the whole sewing thing is coming back in, so perfect timing. So yeah, I'm just gonna straighten my leave out. I tried to straighten it like just the way it is, but I felt like that was a bit too, that wasn't a small enough part to straighten for where it was gonna match the texture of the wig perfectly. So I had to split it in half and then straighten it for it to be a perfect match, because it does match my texture really well when straightened. That's what I love about Yaki texture. But yeah, I'm just gonna stop talking now and let you enjoy the rest of the video.
So this is the finished look. I did a little bit of layers here. I thought I recorded it, but the camera cut out. I'm so sorry. All I did was use a razor to just go down from the length my hair is to all the way down, just to give it a bit of face framing layers. And I did I don't know how to explain. I bent it in. What do they call that thing? Carved it in. What do they call it? They always say. Yeah, I bumped the ends. There we go. So I bumped the ends just to give it that like old school kind of look. It looks so good. Like it probably looks like my hair. Like this is it behind my ear. This is it in front. I can't wait to curl it. Try new things. I just really like the way it looks. So if you like this wig, please tell me what you think in the comments. If you don't like it, also tell me. But yes. So that is it for today. Please like, comment, subscribe. I don't even know how to talk anymore, but yeah, that is it. I hope to see you in the next one.